Hey everyone, it's Cajun Bullion, and we're gonna cook us a jambalaya. Black iron pots all nice and hot. Put our seasoning in there. We'll brown that down with some sausage. Right out of back, it's time to put the pork in. Get everything all stirred up in there. The onions and all that's all pretty much all sauteed already. Oh boy, you ought to smell the smell they got in here right now. Smelling good. We're putting some roasted chicken in it. I'll put that last because the roasted chicken's already cooked. It's Cajun style roasted chicken. And we'll let this cook for a little while, and I'll come back when I put the chicken in. All right, I'm back. Sausage and the pork is cooking good with all the onions and bell peppers and garlic and seasonings they have all in that mix. We'll put a little Tony's in there. Stir this baby up. I'm sorry, but steaming up. Cooking good though. Right. Stir it up pretty good. Now we're gonna put the roasted chicken in there. And that's the pot of roasted chicken. Okay, come on out. All right. Put the chicken out. As you can tell, I like a lot of meat with my jambalaya. Some people don't put as much meat as I do, but I like a lot. Right, everyone. It's been cooking down, so now it's time for the fluids. I got 6 cups chicken stock. Three cups of water. And 1 cup of beer. That's how we do it in Cajun Town. We cook with beer a lot. And some reason with that, it makes it taste so much better. All right, that's all good. Good to go. Now I'm gonna go get the rice. Let's come over here. She's looking for something to fall on the floor. Got the rice. 5 cups of rice. Put it in there. And that's that Zataran's rice, pot ball. The special rice that we use over here for our jambalayas. She's all down in the water. Look at that, baby girl. That's it's a raw piece of rice. Go ahead and set the pot on top, the cover on the pot, and let it cook down for about 10 minutes. You can check every so often. I'll come back whenever I start checking. that's a 10-minute buzzer. Just went off. Let's see what she look like. Get a glove on, but that black iron pot get hot. Ooh, oh, that looks good. Stir it up a little bit. Still got some cooking down to go. We're gonna cook it down to all that sauce and juice and all that stuff goes away. So we're gonna keep on cooking it. So far it's looking really, really, really good. Smelling real good too. So we'll go ahead and put the pot on. I keep saying pot with the cover. On a black iron pot. So let it cook down some more. That's why we use the pot ball rice. That pot ball rice don't get all mushy like a regular rice when you start stirring it like that. Right, be back in a little bit. Everything is still being cooked down. Your little Miss Abby is resting right there by the stove. She always does that when I'm cooking, hoping I'll drop something. Right, baby? Abby. All righty. That ain't dropping nothing yet. Be back in a little bit. Okay, she's boiling up. And all that brown stuff you see, that's the browning seasoning sauce, kitchen bouquet. I couldn't do it with one hand, so I did it before I got on here. And we stir this up real good. Make sure all the sauce goes into everything. It helps brown the rice and gives it another little flavor. Oh, goodness. Several. Right, next time I come on, it'll be the finished product. And that's gonna take a little bit while. Let all that sauce and juice and everything else soak up into the rice. Right, everybody. Here it is. All finished up. Jambalaya. There you go, jambalaya's finished. All nice and pretty. Ready to be eaten up by the family. I'd like to thank y'all for showing up. Subscribe, follow. It'd be very much appreciated. Everyone have a great one. Cajun out.